really cool. Want to cure this 30 seconds under proper LED lamp. I'll do all 4 of them. Go into the thinking green. This is, again, I am applying premium eye hole transfer foil gel. And next one will be Delight. Again, I am applying the transfer foil, premium eye hole transfer foil. But if you don't want any transfer foil, if you don't want any crystal placements, and you can just go ahead and top coat, cure for 60 seconds. No, top coat, cure for 60 seconds. But if you're doing a transfer foil, you cure for 30 seconds on that premium's eye hole transfer foil. All right. Hey Whitney, hey Tiffany, how are you? Oh, I'm so glad, Live Rats. Hope you're enjoying it. Thank you, everyone. All right, so we have like a whole entire that set of ghostly vibe. I really like this. If you don't have the chromes, like unicorn chrome, this is gonna be a cool one. All right, so I'm using, I don't know which one I'm using, but there's 10 different like effects here. I really like it. You can see that under the lights. Let's see. And I cure for 30 seconds. I'm so glad you like it, Live Brass. Put the name on. You never know you're gonna win again. It doesn't matter. I want to do it whole month of August. I don't know what day today. But we'll keep doing it. If you're all enjoying it, so we're absolutely doing it as one of the fun parts for everybody to enjoy and to really like having fun with all different designs, and a special thing to give back to all of you who your love and support. You know, we wouldn't be here without every single of you. So thanks to every single of you for the amazing support. Can you see the videos better now? Because see, I get my nails shorter. Look at this. Is that fun? It looks like I put the unicorns on it. Chrome, but it's not. It's just like from that foil. Is that cool? Let's give a cool effects. But it's not cover our fusion ink at all. Hey, Hugh. How are you? Yes, Facebook it on. That's fabulous. Thank you so much. Great. So I have a next one. Make sure. Next one we're doing is the green. Place right in the center of the nail. And don't worry much about this one if you have a crease, because it's gonna blend really well as well. Just give it really cool effects. Like I have iridescence. Or if you want to do some like flowers, you can even like put the stickers on the top of this. It's even make it look so much better. Look at that, how it's giving it effects. Really cool. Okay, going to the next one. We're going to do the Delight, which is yellow. I'm using a different one. This is really cool though. Look at that. It looks like bubbly. Hopefully I go on the right side. Look like. If you want, it's really tricky because at one time I doing here to rub it so hard and rub it, and I said, wait, crap, why didn't transfer?
Yep, Livers, you still remember that one? Where we got in reverse and we just fumbling with like 3 nails in a row.
You said keep rubbing it. Because then nowadays the foil is so cool. They're doing it so really like amazing designs HD. So it's hard to see in the like, you know, in the backward. Totally. And we keep from crap. This is why it doesn't work. Look at that. It's cool, bubbly though. Transfer everything in there. And then to the last one, it's really cool. This one is really cool though.
That thing is just flat.
Okay, so which one is that side though? Look like it's so fun and it's. Let me see.
Just hard to tell you something like this.
Hold on.
They feel the same almost.
They not feel the same. They're different. Okay, I got it. But I might be wrong. If not, then we have to do it again. Just kidding. Yep, I got it right. Because you feel like this. This one side will be really slick and smooth. The other one's feel like a matte. So if you just pay a little bit of attention, you can get it. Sometimes we just like, we didn't pay attention. We just cut it and then didn't realize that we're doing it like just upside down. It looks really cool. It gives a little bit of shimmery, like a unicorn look. So as I say, it's really cool. If you don't have one of a unicorn's chrome, that's will be a cool one. Oh, that one. This came right off. It's hard to see it. I don't know how you can see it. Great. Okay. So I got this for us, and then we're gonna go in and do some fun crystal placement. I didn't want to put the veins on today because I will cover some of them.